Welcome to our Kitchentale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng Adobong Barracuda, a simple recipe. Here are the ingredients. Slices of 1 barracuda fish. First po ay ipiprito po muna natin yung barracuda fish. Next po, for sauteing, we need a medium size of onion, 5 pieces of garlic cloves, a teaspoon of ground pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also, we need 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a cup of water. Ngayon po, lulutuin na natin yung adobong barracuda. First po, dun sa pinagprituhan ay doon din po natin isosote yung bawang at sibuyas. Pag medyo translucent na po ang sibuyas, pwede na po nating isunod yung isda. Then, for 1 minute po, hayaan nating ma-absorb ng fish ang flavor ng sibuyas at bawang upang mawala po ang lansa ng isda. And pwede na po nating isunod ang pepper and salt. To give you an info about barracuda fish, it has omega-3 acids, lower your blood pressure, prevent clotting, reduce abnormal heart rhythms, decrease blood fat levels, and have anti-inflammatory properties. Then, let's add the vinegar and soy sauce. Hayaan lamang po natin itong kumulo upang maiwasan po itong mag-amoy hilaw. And add na po natin yung water. Optional po ang paggamit ko ng siling haba. Let it simmer po for about 5 minutes. And then after that, pwede po tayong mag-add din ng slices of onion on top. It's optional din po ito. Then let it simmer again for about 2 minutes. And then pwede na. Ngayon po, pwede na ang ating adobong barracuda. Here's our finished product. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.